guys, on today's unboxing we're gonna do this. So let's just take you through the box first of all. I know you guys like to see that information that sometimes it's missing from the websites themselves, but there isn't that much. Anyways, let's just take it out. We will test it out. There will be a review setup video later on, but this is just an unboxing. So let's just take this guy out. So what we have inside here. So here's everything that you guys would get inside. It does look a lot better than what I thought I would get, actually. It feels good. Quality feels good. So let's take that out. Sorry for the quality of this unboxing, guys, but I'm doing this in a hurry. I actually bought this last minute just to check it out and see how it is. It's supposed to be thunder that it projects and it has sound. I can see, maybe that's the speaker, maybe that's the sound. Oh, here's the volume. Okay, so I can see that. It feels good. What I can tell you, quality-wise, it feels good. So right away, I can see that it feels good. All right, so I can tell you that for sure. Now let's take a look at this. Obviously, this is just to put it on the ground or anywhere. This should open up as well. Yep, it opens up. So if you guys need to stake it on the ground, it goes in like that. If you need to open it up, then there we go. Then you can place it somewhere else, right? So that's always very, very useful. I've had different types of lights, so that's why I know how that works. Now let's just take you through this. The guy, now there's not much to show you in an unboxing video. I will show you the lights that this projects and everything for sure, even though this is not the setup video, but I'll do that anyways, just for you guys to see, because that's what you guys are really here for anyways. Here are the instructions. They're kind of useless anyways. So let's just take a look at how this actually performs when we see it. Anyways, that would be it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.